Yo, what's happening? What's popping? Molly Blanche, welcome back to yet another reaction. I'm on a roll today. So I get excited when I get a comment from an artist and they're recommending for me to watch or react to their music. That's basically what I live for. So if you're an artist, let us hear your music, man. Drop those comment section. Let's hear your music. Don't keep your music to yourself. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Now, you guys from Malawi, I know many of you might not know this guy, but he is from Malawi. Jade MW, Jade Malawi. I love that they tag themselves there for Malawi to understand. This is patriotism. Oh, I said a big word there. Devaluation is the name of the song. Let's get to it.
Yeah.
This is how it starts. The beats are just
big boy, Balipeti kuyenda pano pai, balipeti kuyenda pano pai, balipeti kuyenda pano pai, balipeti kuyenda pano pai. Amene yakujayo katatu amene dada. Amene yakujayo kuspenda zimani amene dada. Sikola uvuta pale, magota pa ya 25%, linalo ya 25%, linalo so ya 45%. Penda kwa magota pa 50. Kuno ma devaluation na tipa, devaluation na tipa, kuno ma devaluation na tipa, devaluation na tipa, kuno ma devaluation na tipa, devaluation, kuno ma devaluation na tipa, devaluation na tipa. Kwasa lako dilambila nazo akufa, dilambila nazo zintu za vutata, zintu za vutata, tukanika kuvara, zintu za vutata, zintu za vutata, tukanika kunjanja, zintu za vutata, zintu za vutata, tukanika kuvara,
Zintuzavuta. Things are a problem or there's a problem. Let me know in the comment section, man. You know what I like about this video? I don't know if this was the entire plan for this video to go out like this. It just seems so natural, which is like, it makes me curious. It seems like a vlog. I know it's like a music video that's being recorded, but it seems like it's just like recording and they're like, oh, well, let's just put this video out there. It's beautiful that way because it's just so natural.
Kuno ma devaluation na tipa, devaluation na tipa, kuno ma devaluation na tipa, devaluation na tipa, kuno ma devaluation na tipa, devaluation na tipa, kuno ma devaluation na tipa, devaluation na tipa. Kwasa lako dilambila nazo akufa, dilambila nazo
Yo, beautiful stuff, man. I feel like, this is like the same vibe that I'm getting of Zonke Too Fresh and what that other biggest artist as well. I forget his name. I haven't been reacting to his music for a minute, but this is it, man. Like this is it's beautiful. I love it. So big up also to the videographers. I don't know. I feel like some of this young people they come up with their own videographers and they are producers, or maybe he's producing his own thing. You'd see that people are doing multiple things. So when success comes, you know what you're doing. You know what I mean? This is beautiful. This is what I live for. So if you're an artist, like I said, leave more music down here. We'll definitely get to it when we get to it, because I'm not trying to make any promises. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're here for the first time, please go check out Jade MW's YouTube page as well, and hit that subscribe button over there, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button here, hit that like button, and hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel.